Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Zack in Alabama on this Ranger RCI 99N2. Zack, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Voltage regulator upgrade, tune alignment. Got the static 636 mic, and let's just get right to it. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. There's 5 watts just in case you decide to run like an 8 pill or something, you have full adjustability. And around 40 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 100 watts in the corner. Let's flip this over to average here. 250 watt slug. Hello, it's about 120 bird average. Peak power. Hello, buries the 250 watt slug. Going over here to sideband. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello, audio. Just a hair under 250 for you, Zack. All right, Zack, hope you enjoy it. We're going to get this out to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.